racing just started. We have Snarp. Break quickly to start. Moving up na body outside instant. In the middle portion, Slim Princess running by the rail. Tiger Epic. Manpower all for one. Save Our Queen comes next somehow. Memory of Fire. Serikit then followed over by Shut Up. While entry number 3, Manly, is the early trailer going along for the first turn. We have Snarp, the early leader, by about 2 lengths. And in second comes Instant down into this Tiger Epic. Manpower comes next, Slim Princess. Moving up on the outside now is Save Our Queen. Next online is Sirikit, all for one. Memory of Fire somehow. Next online is Shut Up, then followed over by Manly, while Stormplay now racing in 13th. And at the far turn, Will Snurp is still in control by about 2 lengths. Coming closer in second is Tiger Epic. Next online is Instant. Moving up na Warrior outside is Manpower as they swing for home. We have Snurp by a length and a half. Instant in second. Tiger Epic. Manpower. We have Snurp followed by Instant. Manpower now moving about the outside with about 100 meters of the race. Snurp, Instant, Snurp, Instant. Keep on firing out forward. We have Snurp, Instant, sorry, outside. And finally, it's a close finish between Snurp, Instant, Manpower. Then comes Tiger Epic. Number 8, Save Our Queen and Slim Princess.
At meron nga tayong photo for first between 4 and 11, doing 13, parang preba po ng ating race 3 is 13, 24 and a half, 25 and 28, 130.7 ang ating total time ng ating race 3. At ito na yung ating slow-mo para sa ating third race. Tingnan natin kung sino ba ang nakakalamang between 4 and 11. Halos dikit talaga tumawid. Tabimbalya numero 4, 11 po yung nagpaparimate. At kayo na pong bahalang magdesisyon dyan. Alright, yan yung ating slow-mo ng ating race number 3. So just do hold on to your tickets at papasok nga po muli dyan.